This one jelly bed video got 16 million views, and people are getting paid from content just like this. And if you're wondering how to create them, you're in the right place. Just like the videos I personally created, which were all done for free. Now let me teach you how. So the first thing, guys, you want to do is head over to ChatGPT, okay? So this is the video that ChatGPT gave us, okay? So what we're gonna do is right click, copy. So the next thing, guys, you want to do is go to Google, type in Google Labs Whisk, and you're gonna click on this one right here, okay? And once that's open, you're gonna click Launch Whisk, okay? So guys, I already have an account with Whisk. If you don't have an account, just sign up using your Gmail account or create an account, okay? So once that's done, click on Enter To. So once the page is open up, you're gonna go down here and click on this button, and we're gonna make sure it's 9:16 because we're creating a short. Then we're gonna go over here where it says describe your idea. Right click, paste the prompt from ChatGPT, click the enter button, okay? This is absolutely free, guys. So guys, these are the images Whisk gave us. If you didn't like them, you can come right back down and it will regenerate for more images, okay? So this is the videos that Whisk gave us, and I like this one, so I'm going to go ahead in the corner and click the download button. Okay guys, so next thing you want to do is go to Google and type in Grok AI. Click on it because we're going to use this generator to create our video for our picture. I already have an account with Grok, but if you don't have an account with Grok, what you can do is link into your Gmail account or create an email and open an account that way. So once that's done, we're going to go over here to Imagine right here. We're going to upload the picture that we just got from Whisk, okay? Okay, after you upload it, make sure it has 9:16. Then we're going to use the same prompt we got from ChatGPT, and then hit the arrow button, okay, for it to generate. So this is the video that Grok gave us. If you didn't like this video, you can go down here to the bottom and regenerate for free, okay? So guys, I do like this video, so what I'm going to do is come over here on the side and I'm going to download the video, okay? And that's it, guys. Now you know exactly how to create your own jelly bed effect video. Completely free. No excuses. So go try it, post it, and let's see how viral yours can go.